Let's address why your Nextbase Dash Cam might be failing to recognize your SD card. It boils down to a few key reasons: incompatibility with the card itself, file system errors, hardware issues, or even environmental factors like temperature. We'll delve into each of these to help you pinpoint the problem and find a solution. Remember, Nextbase Dash Cams, especially models like the 622GW and 5122GW, are sensitive to the type and formatting of SD cards used. These key reasons can help you diagnose and fix SD card recognition issues in your Nextbase Dash Cam. Choosing the right SD card is crucial for your Nextbase Dash Cam to function properly. Nextbase recommends Class 10 or V30 UHSI microSD cards specifically designed for dashcam use. Excellent examples include SanDisk Extreme or Samsung Pro Plus cards. These cards provide sustained write speeds, which are vital for recording high-quality video, especially in 4K. Avoid counterfeit or low-quality cards, as they often lack the necessary write speeds. Write speeds should ideally be above 20 megs per second for reliable performance. Always check your dashcam's manual for the maximum supported SD card capacity. For reference, here's a summary of memory card speed classes and their recommended video resolutions. Proper formatting is essential for your Nextbase Dash Cam to recognize and use the SD card correctly. Let's explore the key concepts of FAT32 and exFAT file systems. For SD cards up to 32 GB, use FAT32. For larger cards of 64 GB and above, use exFAT. This ensures compatibility and proper data handling. You can format the card using your computer, but remember to use the Quick Format option to avoid file system errors. However, it's best to format it directly within the Nextbase Dash Cam's settings menu for optimal compatibility. Your dashcam expects a specific folder structure, such as Movie for videos and Picture for images. Formatting ensures this structure is created correctly. Here's a reference table showing SD card types and their capacities with file systems. When formatting on a computer, use the Quick Format option as shown in this Windows dialog. Follow guides like this one for formatting SD cards specifically for dashcams. Hardware issues can prevent SD card recognition in Nextbase Dash Cams. Let's examine the key hardware troubleshooting steps. First, inspect the card slot visually for any visible dirt, dust, or debris that might block the connection. Look closely at the metal connectors inside the slot to ensure they are clean and undamaged. If you find dirt, use compressed air to blow it out gently. Avoid touching the connectors directly. Check that the SD card is fully inserted and making a secure connection. Push it in firmly until it clicks. If problems persist, test with a different SD card to rule out a faulty card slot. Newer Nextbase models have LED indicators or app notifications that alert you to card issues. Check these for specific error codes. Low voltage from a weak car battery can corrupt data on your SD card and cause recognition failures. Car batteries provide the power needed for dashcams to write data properly. If the voltage drops too low, especially during starts or in cold weather, it can interrupt the recording process and damage the card. Extreme temperatures can also damage your SD card and lead to malfunction. High heat, especially from leaving the dash cam in direct sunlight during hot weather, can warp the card or corrupt its memory. Cold temperatures can cause similar issues by affecting the card's performance. Always store your dash cam in a shaded area when not in use. To prevent data loss from these power and environmental issues, periodically back up your dash cam footage. Use a card reader to transfer videos to your computer or cloud storage regularly. This ensures you don't lose important evidence from accidents or incidents. Check your SD card for any visible damage like corrosion on the pins. Firmware updates for your Nextbase Dash Cam often include important bug fixes and compatibility improvements that can resolve SD card recognition issues. These updates address software problems that might prevent your dash cam from properly detecting or reading the SD card. To get the latest firmware, check the Nextbase website or use their mobile app to download and install any available updates. Recent firmware versions include AI-assisted troubleshooting that can automatically format or repair minor SD card errors without manual intervention. Let's walk through a practical troubleshooting process for your Nextbase Dash Cam SD card issues. First, safely eject and reinsert the SD card. Push the card in so it ejects, then remove it carefully without touching the contacts. Next, format the card using the Dashcam settings menu. Access the Dashcam category and choose the format option. If that doesn't work, try formatting it on your computer using the correct file system, FAT32 for cards up to 32 gigabytes or exFAT for larger capacities. If the issue persists, try a different recommended SD card. Choose Class 10 or V30 cards that are specifically rated for Dashcam use. As a last resort, contact Nextbase customer support for assistance. Their AI chatbots can often provide quick diagnostics and solutions. Looking ahead, the future of dashcams promises more integrated and user-friendly solutions that address current SD card challenges. One major trend is the shift toward cloud-based dashcams. These devices automatically upload footage to secure cloud storage, eliminating the need for local SD card storage and reducing recognition issues. By 2028, some premium dashcam models may feature internal NVMe storage instead of SD cards. This high-speed, reliable storage eliminates SD card compatibility problems altogether. In the meantime, manufacturers are focusing on user education through better documentation and app features. They're also pushing for standardized SD card certifications to minimize compatibility problems. Keep an eye out for augmented reality guided repair tutorials in future dashcam apps. These interactive guides will help users troubleshoot issues step by step using their device's camera. These future trends and solutions will make dashcams more reliable, user-friendly, and less prone to SD card issues. Stay updated with the latest models for the best experience.